Oh, it's a bit muddy. Let's go for it. Whoa, it's spinny. Oh, I made it through. That was a miracle. Now where? Down this bit? Yeah, this is a skinny little lane one, isn't it? It's all slippy looking down here. We're going for it. Whoa, I'd proper back end out there. I've got very silent. I'm not even talking myself through it. Just getting through it. Oh, slippy bits. This is where I came off last time, coming up the hill, I think. Oh, big branch. We're going through it. Oh, almost lost it there. Got my knee come away from the tank and loosen the grip on the tank. Oh, let's get a minute. That was good.